You know what? I'm going to introduce the new American-made white long-handle sharpener. And that's my name, my phone number, okay? And then sharpensbest.com, American-made, made in North Carolina, okay? And so this is the introduction for it because this is the first time it's ever been sold at a table. And it's the first time it's ever been manufactured or anything else, too. So let's, it's mainly probably in the kitchen, so I'm going to pick a knife like this, all right? And we can call that one a chef knife. So what I do is first, and you can see, yes, there is a bunch of metal on the table because I reprofiled and fixed this knife right here that I bought from Salvation Army. So when I say I reprofiled it and fixed it, it cuts like that. That is sharp enough for a knife like this, okay? So on a knife like this one, I would do the same thing. Now I have been sharpening this one, so I won't run it through the V as hard as I did the other one. So I run it through just like this, fairly light actually. But when I do a tune-up, I don't come back here and look at my hand for a second. All right, I am not pressing down on it. I just do this, like that. Bring it right out here, like that. Light, light, light. Just like that, and we end up with a knife that really is sharp. Really thin paper will fight with you almost no matter what. That's plenty sharp. So what you can do is use the open face straight line corners. So if I was going to actually work on this knife, it would look like this. I'll tip it up. You can see it go right through the round up over the point, down through the round up over the point, just like that. Do the same thing over there like this. And you end up with a knife that really is quite sharp. Cuts like that. It's also a very thin blade. So just like that. You can work on the point like this, like that. Run it all the way out from the back to the tip. Then I flip it every pass, polish the blade, make sure there's no wire edge, and we end up with a knife that really is, oop, that's fast. That really is quite sharp. All the way out, I'm gonna cut my finger, all the way out to the tip. Once you bend that paper, you're not gonna cut it, so like that, all the way out to the tip. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You take care. We'll see you on sharpensbest.com. Wonder what happened.